Hi, my name is Ilaria Renauro, also known as Ilaria Pops, and I'm an illustrator. Drawings and mangas has always been a great part of my life. I feel like it was fate that I found my vocation in Japanese kawaii art. I love to illustrate cute bees, frogs with big heads, round bodies, and sweet eyes. These elements characterize the kawaii style and give a childlike and irresistible look to our characters. In my process, I aim to tell cute stories through my images, which can be made into stickers or postcards to spread the joy kawaii stands for. In this Domestika course, you'll learn everything about the cute world of kawaii and how to create your own character. For the final project, we are going to use digital tools to bring your character to life, ready to fit a sticker sheet. To get started, I will introduce you to the world of kawaii and its impact on the Japanese culture. Then I will explain how to find your own kawaii illustration style and play around with kawaii proportion and features through some drawing exercises. Then it will be time to develop your own kawaii character with its own backstory. We will sketch it in different situations, add some friends, and give it some objects to play with. Next, we will select our favorite sketches to outline and color them using Procreate. We will add some finishing touches with Photoshop to arrange, print, then cut the sticker sheet with the character. Finally, I will advise you on how to establish your own sticker business and why packaging matters. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own kawaii characters for the premiere on the sticker sheet. What you will need are drawing materials, an iPad with Procreate, a computer with Photoshop, as well as sticker paper, a printer, and a cutting machine. This course is aimed at anyone with the taste for the cuter things in life. Create a unique character that sparks joy and leaves people with a smile on their face. A big kawaii smile.